Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're noticing that the lighting's a little different, it is. I currently have my ring light set to mixed light instead of warm light, which is what it usually is, because for whatever reason, when I have it on warm light the past couple days, let me show you. I don't know, I feel like I just look really pink right now. So I have it set to mixed light. Hopefully I don't look too weird. But yeah. If you're wondering what my lip is today, it is a combo today. I know I don't do that often. It is a combo of the Almay Smart Shade Butter Kiss Lip Butter in Nude Light and the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip with Kathleen Lights in the shade Moon Child. I think it looks really pretty, especially with like this rose gold like eye look, which I did with the Comfort Zone palette. If you want to see a tutorial, let me know. So today's video is going to be about makeup rules I break. So, one of the makeup rules, like these are just like rules that every person on YouTube knows, and I don't necessarily follow them. So, let's just hop right on in. So the first rule I don't follow necessarily is using a cool toned contour color. Now, the rule with contouring is you use a ashy cool tone, like grayish shade to create that shadow to make it so that way your cheeks are chiseled and everything is just slimmer and blah blah blah. Now, when they're talking about a cool toned color, it's something like this. This is the Catrice Prime and Fine Professional Contouring Palette in the shade Ashy Radiance. Notice that ashy. This is the lighter of the two colors, by the way. So look how cool that is. Well, I don't always follow that. Like right now, I'm doing a project pan on the Hoola bronzer in my Benefit Cheekathon palette. Now, because I'm super pale, let me show you the difference. So this is the cool tone and this is the warm tone. You can see quite the difference there. And, you know, you would think, that's not gonna work. But I feel like it still does if you do it in moderation. So I use Hoola as my contour, my bronzer, everything. So, yeah. Rule number 2. I don't always wear a lip liner. If I don't have a color that matches the color. Like, for example, yesterday I was wearing, Jeffree Star's liquid lipstick in the shade Daddy. It's from the Manny MUA collection. I don't have a lip liner that matches that. And so if I try to go in with a lip liner that doesn't match it, I just feel the need to cover it up with the color anyway, so I just don't use it. Or even something like today where I'm going in with a tinted lip balm and a lip gloss. I'm not gonna wear a lip liner because to me that's just an extra, now I can't get it open, there we go. To me that's an extra unnecessary step. This has color, this has color, it is a nice color mixed together. I don't need the extra step of a lip liner. And I'm going to have to reapply this pretty often anyway. So to me, a lip liner just doesn't seem necessary. Now, if I'm going in with just a normal bullet lipstick like this one, not this one, because I don't have a lip liner to match that one, but say I'm going in with MAC Ruby Woo, I'll go in with a lip liner because that makes sense. It's a nice bright color. It needs the preciseness of a lip liner and it might need the extra staying power of a lip liner. But when it comes to a color bomb, I'm not going to do it. Now, that will not say that I won't do a lip liner with just a gloss on top. I've done that before and I'll do that, but I'm not going to do lip liner, then a tinted lip balm, and then a gloss. Not going to happen. Any tinted lip balm, I'm not wearing a liner with. Not going to happen. Another rule I break, rule number 3. Once my So I always curl my eyelashes before I put mascara on. You guys know that. One rule I break is once the mascara is 100% dry, like there's no question that it's not dry, it's 100% dry, I will go back in with my lash curler and curl my lashes. In fact, I did it right before this video. Now, I know that freaks a lot of people out because there are those horror stories of people ripping out their eyelashes when they do that. Okay, so first off, let me tell you something. Those people are not waiting for their mascara to 100% dry. There's no way. Because if their mascara is 100% dry, then their eyelashes aren't going to really stick to it. Also, I can almost guarantee you they're not cleaning off the pad and the top before they do it, which is something I always do. I always go in with a makeup wipe, I'll clean the pad. Of course, I'm going in with a part that's dirty. And I will clean the front and I'll clean the back. And then I'll let that dry for a minute, and then I'll go in and I'll curl my lashes. This is the e.l.f. lash curler, by the way. I love it. So that's rule number 3 that I break. And also, when I'm taking it apart off my lashes, I'm very, very, very careful. I'm not just like, blah, blah. No. I'm like, bloop, and then slowly, slowly. And if I see if any of my lashes are sticking, I'll wait a minute. I'll try again. Which I haven't really had the problem of my lashes sticking because, again, I wait for my lashes to 100% dry. Those are the key words here. 100% dry. Okay? Okay. Rule number 4 that I break. I have dry skin. I don't always use a dewy foundation. Today, for example, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Transforming Foundation. They recommend this for people with oily, acne-prone skin. I have dry skin. I still am kind of acne-prone, though. I still use this. I do like a matte face on me sometimes. Like, I love the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous. I love the Estee Lauder Double Wear. Sometimes but the difference is, I know the prep work in order to wear those foundations. Not everyone with dry skin does. I go in, I wash my face, I moisturize, and then I go in with multiple primers. So like today, with the Superstay Better Skin, I went in with the Smashbox Primerizer, I went in with the Almay Luminous Primer, and I went in with the e.l.f. Aqua Primer Spray, which, by the way, holy crap, does that shoot at you. I know the prep work that needs to be done in order for me to wear the super matte foundations. And even some of the super matte foundations, I have to do my Smashbox Primer Oil. Like, I do that with the Estee Lauder Double Wear and the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. So I know the prep work, and sometimes I won't get it right the first time, but that's when I know what my skin likes and doesn't like, and I play around with the different primers that I have. Plain and simple. Rule number 5. I don't use a stippling brush to apply my blush and bronzer. I just don't. I am one of those people that go in ham and then take the stippling brush after and blend it out, because it's kind of just the way I am. I'd much rather prefer that than keep working with a stippling brush for 20 minutes making sure the pigment's there. I'd rather get the full-on pigment and then blend away what I don't need after. Does that make sense? I actually learned that from Cassey Holmes here on YouTube. So, yeah. So that's all I have for this video today. I am sorry that it is so short, but those are the makeup rules that I break. What are the makeup rules that you break? Let me know down in the comments below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.